Kryptonite. Calling me to save your life. Calling to save your life. Oh, 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 oh. No heat, no Rose, no Tom, no Brady, no Kobe, no Ryan, no Peyton, no Manning. And I wanna tell everybody, and I wanna tell everybody, and I wanna tell everybody. Look up in the sky, is it a bird, is it a plane? No, it's Jesus, baby. Look up in the sky, is it a bird, is it a plane? No, it's Jesus, baby. Jesus, Jesus is my superhero. Jesus, Jesus is my superhero. Hero, 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 hero.
First off, all praises go to him. Villains try and mess with my blessings, but I don't roll with them. My superhero head, what's the matter? You don't notice something? Seeing got the tights with the underwear is over them. Every door they ever close, he always seems to open them. Demons know it's suicide, trying to go toe to toe with them. I feel like a sidekick when it's just him and me. I always know it's God, as he has no secret identity. Worship a super Christ, I give him super praise. He holds the world in his hands, that's super strength. He's better than good, he's what I call super great. Jesus is my superhero, I will never lose faith.